Now everybody loves them some strippers, especially when they're automatic, but only if they work. So these have been the ones I've been using for years, and they work sometimes, and then I just want to throw them across the shop other times because they don't work every time, and it drives me nuts. So finally, I'm over the moon now because I bought a new pair, and you're gonna love them. These things work great. I've been working on a bunch of wiring on this truck. Even this, it's got a brand new aftermarket stereo, so I've been using that brand new pair, which I'm about to show you right now. Let's go inside and have a look and see how they work. Okay, here's the vice grips. I've been using these a while. Let me just take a random piece of wire here. They're supposed to automatically adjust to any piece of wire, and you can see that it stripped that pretty easily, but let me go find a different piece. Here's a different one here. You see that? Sometimes you get it in there and it just pulls. You see how it just pulls like that? It did cut some, didn't cut it all. Now you can adjust it with this knob, but it just gets frustrating sometimes because even if you adjust it correctly, it pulls like that, and it just doesn't work how you'd want it to. So I finally broke down and bought the Knipex. Yeah, I do pronounce it that way. You can pronounce it however you want, but these things are a joy to use. Just adjust it exactly where you want it, and you can keep that stop there. That's about where you want it for butt connectors and things like that. And then this here adjusts for the size of wire. Let's see how it works on that red one. This is about a 10 or 12 gauge wire, so it's pretty heavy. It does pretty good. Now without adjusting it, let's go to this. It's probably about 16. Real easy. It also has a cutting feature on the top of it. Real easy. Real nice snap action. I like the way that works. So it's good all the way up to 10 gauge. You can do speaker wire. You can do any of this spaghetti down here on the floor. But what I really liked is this car stereo here. I had a lot of wires to cut, to strip, and to crimp, so this worked really well. I got so tired of this one that I actually stopped using it. Just sat there in my toolbox collecting dust, and what I started using was just the regular old, just the channel lock strippers. These things, they work okay, you know, but you got to find the right size wire and all that stuff. It's got a nice little comfort grip on the back here. Feels good. It's got this trigger cutout for my index finger. I like the way that feels. And the action, really snappy, really fast. That's just a quick one for today. I'm going to keep these just as a backup. These, right in the bucket. I am so sick of using those things. The Knipex, fantastic. It's my new favorite automatic wire strippers. I'm going to leave a link to these down in the description, but click fast because once they figure out that there's a video out with their link to it, price is going to go up and they'll probably sell out of them. So till next time, thanks for watching.